We have a 2006 Kia Sedona. Customers complaining about lack of power, low idle, with check engine light on. Looking at scan tool data, looked at long-term fuel trim, short-term fuel trim. You'll notice here on our long-term fuel trim on bank 1 and bank 2, we're reading positive 20. So we're adding fuel due to a lean condition. Short-term right now, we're reading pretty close to 0 to -2. But if we add those together, we're still a positive 20. So we're going to look around here and see what could be causing that. What we noticed was that we have our mass airflow sensor right here as the air is coming into the engine. Upon the visual inspection, we found that this vehicle, when we move around, has a large crack in the manifold right here in the intake tube. You see as we pull that open, our short-term fuel trim has gone to 23, 24, so combined total fuel trim of 44. As we close that vacuum leak up, you can notice our fuel trim is go the opposite way. As we create the vacuum leak, you can see the instant reaction of the computer control fuel trims. I'll close it up again, we can see the difference in the fuel trim numbers. If we close it up, we can go negative. It's actually going to go counteract the long-term fuel trim. You get it to seal up long enough here. There you go. Okay, that is a vacuum leak.